Hey everyone, hope you're having great time. So here we are demonstrating our project that is WebTestAssistant, and it is a AI automation tool that is going to automate the web testing for the testers. Here we can provide all the steps that we need to execute on a website, and this tool is smart enough to do it without any human intervention. So here we have hosted it on Netlify, which is a partner with Bolt for this hackathon, and you can see the URL that we have hosted on. So, and this is our input test steps where we have entered a demo purpose. We have just 4 test steps, and it is saying just go to this devpost.com and navigate to all hackathons, and we need to select this world largest hackathon presented by Bolt. Alright, so this is just a test case to validate whether it is working and how it is working. So we are going to validate the deadline which we have specified over here, and this is the run test case. When we execute it, it will start executing the test case as if a human tester is doing that. So here you can see the test status, whether it's running state, idle, or completed. And there we can see execution logs, whatever logs our tool is emitting, we can see it over here. So let's get started. So I have triggered the test case, and now it should go to the dev post website, which we have specified at test case 1. Here we are. So now it should go to the list of hackathon. It should be able to figure out how to go there as if I am a human, and I am not giving detailed instruction that you need to go there and there. If we give it is better, but yeah, this thing is smart enough to identify where it needs to go. And why we are calling it agentic AI, because it is having tool support, and it can not only give the smart responses, but it can act upon those as well. So here we are on all the hackathon lists, and this is the first one that we are interested in, world largest hackathon presented by Bolt. So it should click on it. I am not doing any operation, it is done totally by the AI, and now it should verify the deadline, that is 1st of July 2025. It's IST time 2:30 a.m. So it's completed. We have seen browser windows closed, and here we can see the status: test case completed successfully, and these are the logs that it emitted. So yeah, so this means this can be put into multiple applications of let's say we are having a lot of testing in corporates, and they can make use of these tools, and it is like automate on the go. Alright, thank you so much. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Thank you.